Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. And in this pattern I used a number 2 fine yarn and I used 3.25 millimeter crochet hook, and this pattern requires multiples of 13 plus 5. And for the purposes of the tutorial, I'll be using a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I will be using medium weight yarn, which is number 4. So go ahead and make your chain multiples of 13 plus 5. Remember that you're adding 5 just one time at the end of your multiples of 13. So you're adding it only one time. So go ahead and I will meet you when you have your chain. So I now have my chain and I will do single crochets to the end of my chain. So remember, the one on the hook doesn't count as a chain, so you're going to skip that first one and into the second one do a single crochet. So you're doing single crochets on all of your stitches. So go ahead and finish, and I'll meet you at the end of the chain. So I'm now coming to the end of my chain. That is my last one, and then chain 3, which will count as our first double crochet. So you're going to skip that first stitch and into your second one make a double crochet. So we need 4 double crochets, so that is our second one because this one counts as a double crochet. That is 3, and this is the last one. And then I'm going to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and I'm going to skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and into your fifth one make 2 double crochets into the same space. And then chain 4 again, 1 2 3 4, and you're going to skip another 4, 1 2 3 4, and into your fifth make double crochet. So you're going to make 4 double crochets. So that is 1 2 3 and 4. So you're going to repeat again. So chain 4, skip 4, and do 2 double crochets into the fifth space. So go ahead and I will meet you at the end of the row. So I'm coming to the end of my second row. And I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3, and turn. So I'm going to skip the first one and go into the second one and make double crochet, another double crochet, and then the last double crochet. And then I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3, and I'm going to do a single crochet onto this chain, and then chain 3 again, 1 2, 3, and I'm going to do 7 single crochets on each of these double crochets here. So you're going to skip this one and go into your second one and do single crochets. So you're going to do 7 single crochets. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you turn and come to this other one and do 7 single crochets again. And that is our last one, the 7th. And then I'm going to do a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do a single crochet here and chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and do 4 double crochets here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a single crochet here, and then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then do 7 single crochet on each of these 2 double crochets. So you're going to skip this first one and start with this one. So that is our last one, our 7th one. So then come back again and do 7 into the other one. And that is our last one, our 7th one. So again, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a single crochet here, and then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do the 4 double crochets. And then your last double crochet will be on this chain 3. So that is the end of that row, and that's how it looks so far. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that will count as our number 1 double crochet. So skip that first one and into your second one and do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to do 2 double crochets onto this space here, where you made your single crochet. So that is 1 and 2. You're doing it on the same space. And then you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to skip this here and do 2 double crochets into this single crochet you made before. And then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do 4 double crochets here. This is our last double crochet. And now you're going to repeat what we did here, and I will meet you at the end of the row. So this is my second last double crochet, and my last one will be on that. Chain 3, and now that is the end of that row, and that's how it looks so far. And now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip 1 into the next one. Do a double crochet, a double crochet, and then a double crochet. So now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do 7 single crochet onto each of these. So I'm going to skip this first one and go to the second one and do 7 single crochets. And then again do 7 here. So that is our last one. And now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a single crochet onto this chain, and then do chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then do 7 single crochet again on these 2. So that is our last one, and that's how it looks so far. So chain 3 again, 1 2 3, and do a single crochet onto this chain, and then chain 3 again and do 4 double crochets and repeat the same process we did here. So do that and I will meet you at the end of the row here. So I'm coming to the end of this row. And now our next row will be a repeat of this row. So you're going to chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 1 into your next one, do a double crochet, so now you're going to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and you're going to skip this and go to this second single crochet and make 2 double crochets onto the same space. So again, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and you're going to skip this and go to your double crochets here and make 4 double crochets. So now you're going to repeat to the end of the row, and when you get to the end of the row, you're just going to repeat what we did here. So I hope you will have a good crocheting, and thank you for watching.